Hey Fine Gap viewers, welcome to our this introduction to ChatGPT course, and in this video we are going to talk about the limitations of ChatGPT. So as I told you in the previous video, the biggest limitation of ChatGPT is it did not have knowledge about what is happening currently. In the previous video I told you that ChatGPT's free version is trained up to November 2021, but currently on which date I am recording this video, ChatGPT's free version, which is 3.5, is trained on data from internet up to January 2022. So this date is extended by this company. So let me ask it a question that who win the World Cup of 2022? Let me press enter. So you can see that it is asking me that I'm sorry, but I don't have information on events that occurred after my last update in January 2022. They have their premium version. You have to pay $20. Currently that version price is $20, and that model is trained up to 2023. So if you want to know the current news, you cannot use ChatGPT. You can consider the other AI chatbots like Google have bot that will provide you information that what is happening currently. The next limitation is, for example, let me type here what stock I should purchase in 2024. So you can see that it is not providing me financial advice. So you cannot use ChatGPT to get this type of information, like you cannot use this as a financial advisor. So the next ChatGPT limit is, for example, let me type here, write a complete book on 500 pages on green environment. Let me press enter. So you can see that writing a complete 500-page book on the green environment is beyond the scope of this platform. So basically ChatGPT can respond you from maximum between 1000 words to 3000 words. So you cannot ask it to write a complete books and some such type of stuff. So obviously this is its limitation. As we know that it have limitation on response, similarly it have limitation of on prompts. We write prompts here like something here blah blah blah, but you cannot write as many characters. There is still limitation to write prompts. So here is a tip: whenever you write something on ChatGPT, don't try to write short keywords. The more context you will provide to ChatGPT, the more accurate answers it will provide to you. Next, if you are a programmer, obviously ChatGPT can solve a problem of you or write a piece of code for you. But for example, if you write a complete code of a CRM to manage expenses, employees, assets, and other stuff. So basically it will provide you code, but it did not write full softwares for you. The more lengthy code you will ask this chatbot to write, the more error it will generate. So mostly when programmers use this, they modify its response to exactly match to their situation. So friends, basically this was its limitation. You can see that even it cannot write a complete CRM, but still it is trying to generate a response. So that is also its limitation, that its answers are not 100% correct, because you can see that this is maybe a not a code for a complete CRM. I know that contain a lot of files, a lot of code. So basically, but still it generates this type of stuff, so that is not relevant to me. So this is also its limitations. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand that what actually ChatGPT have limitations. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.